In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make trips with WP Travel Engine. This tutorial will guide you through the simple steps to create a captivating trip listing on your WordPress site. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen and find the menu. From there, navigate to WP Travel Engine. Hover over it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Click on Trips. Here, you will find various options to manage and create trips. To add a new trip, simply click on Add New. This is where the fun begins. You're now at the interface where you can start detailing your trip. The first task is to enter the trip title. Think of something enticing and descriptive, like Bali Adventure Tour. A catchy title will grab the attention of potential travelers. Next, it's time to fill in the trip details. This step is crucial as it includes all necessary information about the trip. Be thorough and clear. This is where travelers will learn what to expect in terms of itinerary, experiences, and benefits of choosing your trip over others. After that, click on Description/Overview. This section is your chance to paint a vivid picture of the trip. Use engaging language to describe the destinations, activities, and highlights. This helps in selling the experience to those planning their next getaway. Following the description, you'll need to specify the trip type. Click on Trip Type and choose the category that best fits your offering, whether it's adventure, family-friendly, or a leisurely escape. Selecting the correct category helps in aligning the right audience with your trip. Now let's select the destination. Click on Destination and enter where your travelers will be heading. This information is crucial for searchability and helps in organizing your trips efficiently. Moving on to Duration and Itinerary, click on Duration Itinerary. Here, you'll outline the day-by-day plan of the trip. A well-structured itinerary gives travelers an idea of the experience and helps them prepare accordingly. Next, click on Price to set the cost of the trip. This might include various pricing options like early bird specials or group discounts. Transparent pricing helps in building trust with potential travelers. Now, it's time to upload trip images. Click Upload Trip Images, Gallery, to add some eye-catching visuals. High-quality images are powerful in enhancing appeal and helping potential travelers visualize the adventure awaiting them. Once that's set, you'll want to configure the booking options. Click on Set Booking Options to customize the preferences such as maximum travelers per trip, booking dates, and preferred payment methods. Lastly, organize the trip by clicking on Assign Categories by Tags. This will enhance the discoverability of your trips on your website, allowing users to find trips suited to their interests more efficiently. And finally, the moment of triumph. Click on Publish to make your trip live on your website. Congratulations! You've successfully created a trip with the WP Travel Engine. Your travel package is now open to the world, ready for adventurers to discover and enjoy.